here at the new Raleigh Hills Elementary School, and we're here for kindergarten orientation.
Welcome to kindergarten. We're so excited to welcome you. You got to have the sneak peek as the first visitors to the new school. I was so thrilled to see the turnout that we got. It was so great to be able to have families touring.
My daughter's going to be going here for kindergarten next year, so we're doing a walk around the building.
It was so wonderful to hear students fill the space.
Yeah, you get to take one of those.
This was designed for students, and to hear the students in the space was amazing.
That's Wesley. He's going to be a new kindergartner. He's very excited, maybe mostly about the playground, but he seemed really excited about the gym, the cafeteria, the library.
I think the parents were, first of all, just can't believe how beautiful it turned out.
This is truly amazing. I watched these brick walls go up. I lived across the street for 11 years, so I watched this whole thing from zero to top.
We watched all the way from demolition to this finished product.
I think the kids will love it. I think everybody's gonna love it.
It's just bright, light, lots of space, lots of free flex space.
Huge playground with the new turf, that's nice.
We're just really excited to be in a space that already feels communal. One that already feels focused on families and kids, community. We're just really ready.
I did tailor the tour to just talk about all the new things that are available to kids that the old Raleigh Hills building didn't have. But my message was pretty much the same. This is how you get ready for kindergarten, and we are so excited to welcome your student.